Rumor has it that on my first day of school, I came home and said, well, I want to be a primary school teacher. Well, it's kind of what I became, really. I very much like my colleagues, I very much like the atmosphere in the department, and I very much like the students. And that's why I'm still here. You probably know the ABBA song, Waterloo. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. And that's kind of true, so you get stuck here. I've actually learned a lot from my students over the years. I am fascinated about students' ideas when they read text for the first time, insights they provide and share. I always try to, stay open-minded enough to listen to what they have to say, and they very often come up with brilliant ideas and brilliant questions that I never thought about before. Threatening my students with a grammar hammer is not nice, it's fantastic. Especially as a language teacher, I would say drills are so yesterday. The hammer is what really helps.